Are Bandit signs still effective for wholesaling in 2024? Now, this might surprise you, but yes, Bandit signs do still work in 2024. Now, that being said, be sure to watch this video until the end, where I'll give you some keys on how to use them, what types to use, and where to place them. Because, a little bit of a spoiler alert here, you don't necessarily want to just be dropping these at busy intersections anymore. So guys, this is Mike Hill, the Wholesaling Titan, and today we are talking about Bandit signs. I'm going a little bit old school on you. Now, these are the signs you'll see staked in the ground or up on telephone poles, advertising everything from mattresses to handyman services to your favorite politician. And it's funny how those ones never get pulled down. But for wholesalers, these are the "we buy houses" signs that you'll use to find motivated sellers, and you can also use them arguably more effectively to advertise for cash buyers. So first off, are Bandit signs legal? In most cases, these are not legal, and the penalties for using them do vary, so you might want to check with your local municipality. In my experience, if you do even get in trouble for using them, which isn't a guarantee, you usually will get hit with a warning first. Then after that, there can potentially be fines. And in some municipalities, they even have a threat of jail time. But I've never actually heard of that happening. Basically, it comes down to your degree, your risk tolerance. And I knew a wholesaler in Miami, for example, who was fined like $2,000 a month, but he uses them anyway because he's making well over $20K every month. So for him, it's just a marketing expense, right? The cost of doing business with a positive ROI. Now, for sign specifics, in my experience, yellow corrugated plastic signs, sizes 24 by 18 inches with a handwritten font work best. You can get those at signwarehouse.com. Be direct with your message. Don't try and get too clever and add a ton of text. Make sure it's easy to read. And also, don't use your personal number. Something like a free Google Voice number works just fine. As far as placement, old videos will tell you put your Bandit signs out on weekends because code enforcement doesn't work on the weekends. For most municipalities, that is old, antiquated news. Code enforcement is out 7 days a week, and some counties and some cities are far more strict at picking up those signs. So once you place them, make sure you go back and check to see how long your signs stay up. Next, traditional advice also tells you to put them at very busy intersections like exit and entrance ramps to the highways, busy stoplights, etc. So this is still a good idea, but you also want to be a little bit more creative. So for example, if I'm using a Bandit sign to find cash buyers, I have to think about my ideal client, who is, let's say, a rehabber. Where are they going? What are they doing? What are they looking for? So in this example, those types of investors might be going to places like Home Depot or Lowe's or Ace Hardware, oftentimes on weekends to get materials or to find day laborers. So what you want to do is take your sign, and let's say the Home Depot is in a plaza. You want to put it right on the edge, but inside of the plaza, because code enforcement only picks signs up. They take them off of public property, and this is private property. And so only the owner of the plaza will have it removed, or, someone from Home Depot will have their employee go and take it down. Now, I have done this, and I have had signs stay up for literally months at a time. And you can do this at shopping plazas, malls, Walmarts. You can even get creative with it, right? So let's say there's a house, for example. Maybe you're selling it, but it's on the corner of a busy intersection. You can ask that homeowner if you can put a sign there, and you can even offer to, pay him a couple bucks. Also, if you're posting on wooden posts, use a sign stapler with an extender pole and put them up as high as possible, which will typically make them last longer. Now, when I first started wholesaling, I did many of my first deals off of just Bandit signs alone. They're relatively inexpensive, but it required a lot of time and a lot of manual labor, meaning I was getting up and regularly going out at 3 a.m. to put these signs up. And it came to this point where I realized that there are much more efficient ways to get deals, because despite me at that point being my own boss, I was still trading time for money. And that's why nowadays I still use Bandit signs from time to time. But when I do, I pretty much use them exclusively for finding local cash buyers. But if you do want to do this, because it does still work, but you don't want to be the one going out dropping signs, there's a really cool app called simplecrew.com, where you can hire someone or hire a team to put the signs out for you. And rather than just take them at their word that they did it, you can create a route that you'd like them to follow. And as they go around, they take a picture of the sign they just posted and plot it on a map. So now you can see who posted it, you can see what time they placed it, and you have photo confirmation. So our takeaway here is that Bandit signs absolutely work. They're just not necessarily my favorite type of lead generation or the most efficient lead generation strategy. But if you do want to know more about lead generation, as well as what I recommend, and this depends on where you are in your journey, right? Someone with $0 for their marketing budget versus someone who can spend $200 a month versus $1,000 a month. You guys are all going to be focusing on different things for the fastest possible results with maximum return on your investment. So I actually mapped out my entire lead generation process onto a mind map. This is especially helpful if you're a beginner, and especially if you have limited funds. You can check out my mind map where each node links to a video lesson which will show you what to focus on, how to keep those leads coming in every month. And I guarantee you that if you follow the steps, you'll get at least 100 leads, even if you have no money to spend, within 5 days. So if you want to check it out, just comment or DM me the words mind map, and I'll shoot you a copy with access to those exclusive videos. Guys, thanks again for watching today. Always appreciate you guys. Please let me know in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover next. And if you would, do me a huge favor and like, comment, share, subscribe. Helps the channel out a great deal. I really, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll check you in the next video. Peace.